Hey guys, welcome back. This is Juana. In today's video, we are going to recreate this beautiful piece for a 1-year-old girl. Let's get straight to the tutorial. So for the materials for this tutorial, I'm using about 1/4 of a yard Ankara, measuring tape, a pair of scissors, and then a piece of chalk. So for the measurement, I have the bust to be 19, the waist to be 17.5, and the dress length is 17. Now for the width or the horizontal for the dress, I'm using the bust circumference, which happens to be the biggest, and that is 19. So as you can see, this is folded into two. So 19, I multiplied it by 2, then I added 2 inches for the side seam allowance. Now you can choose to add at least 10 or any extra allowance for easiness to that of your biggest circumference, being it the bust or the waist or the hip. So that is it. Now for the length, this is an off shoulder dress, so I deducted 3 inches from the full length of the dress, and then I added 2 inches, which 1 inch we used to be folding the down part. As I'm doing, I first of all folded in half, and then I folded again another half of an inch to press it down for the hem of the dress. That's basically it. Now I'm going to take the sewing machine and join it. Okay, so that has been done. I stitch it down like so. So I'm going to cut open the other end of the dress like you can see me doing. So that is it. So I have the front piece and the back piece. Okay, so I'm just going to separate them and fold both of them into two like this on the wrong side of the dress. Then I'm going to place them on each other like this and give it a press. Okay, so at this point, remember we've already deducted the 3 inches from it while we were cutting it. So I'm just going to cut the armhole for this. Remember, this is an off shoulder. So basically I'm going to go in 5.5 inch like this. Then I'm going to come down 3 inches like so. Then I'm going to give this a straight and connect it. I'm going to straight it or connect it to that of the 5.5 inches that we went in. So that is it. And then I'm going to cut this out. Remember that we are going to create a loop at the neckline area where we are going to be passing the strap into it. So that has been done. That has been done. Now I'm going to be folding in the armholes first. So I'll first of all fold in 1/2 inch like this, then I'll fold again 1/2 inch, then I'll give it a press. I'll do it for all the armholes. Bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Okay, so now I'm going to take it to sewing machine and then stitch them down like so. So guys, this is how it turned out after stitching it down the sewing machine. Now I'm going to get to the neckline. So I'm going to fold in half like this, then fold down another half like so. Then I'll give it a press. I'll repeat it for the other piece as well. This is where we are going to be passing the straps through it. So just creating the loop for it. So after pressing it, I'll take it to sewing machine and stitch both of them down. Guys, kindly subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. Okay, so this is how it came out. We've already created a loop, so I'm going to place them on each other with the right side facing each other. I'm placing them together like this with the right side facing each other. Now, using the seam allowance left for this dress, I'm going to join both sides. So that has been done. So I'm just trying to show you how you're going to create the strap. So I have 23 inches long strap. You can make it extra long. Okay, so the weight is also 1.75. Now, first of all, fold one side in ½ inch like this. Then I'll fold the other side also in half and press it down, as you can see me doing, like this. Now the end like this, I'll fold it up about 1/4 inch and then give it a press. I'll repeat it for the other end as well. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the like button. Leave a comment if you enjoy watching this tutorial and kindly share this video. Okay, so after this, I'm going to fold it up like this and give it a press like this. That's it. I'm going to make another piece for this as well. Then I'll take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down. Okay guys, so this is how it came out. So I'm going to turn this to the right side of the dress like so. I just give it a press, as you can see me doing. So we are going to insert the straps into the loop on the neckline or on the top of the dress. This is very simple for our beautiful baby girls. Okay, so with the help of my safety pin, I'm just going to pin it, open it up and then insert it at one end of the strap and then pass it through the loop on the neckline, as you can see me doing, like this. Carefully push it through to avoid getting injury while doing this with the safety pin. So that is done. I will take the other side as well and then pass my safety pin through it and then pass it through the loop like so. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. This is very simple. Make your baby girl rock. Now you just go ahead and tie both sides of them like so, while pulling the strap out to create some ruffle at the neck area. So that is it. Unfortunately, I couldn't let my baby girl rock it before I made this video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, share. Bye.